Hello, welcome to our channel. Welcome to the Google Ads series. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the PMax ads. PMax ads are performance max ads. So Google recently launched this performance max ads. It's been, I think, 2 years. Uh, why Google brought this performance max ads? Because Google, I see many advertisers want to run the display ads and search ads both in the combination. So Google started with the performance max ads where you can run your all campaigns like YouTube ads, search ads, display ads, everything. So with a single even though you can run the shopping campaigns as well in the PMax ads. So it's an all-in-one campaign type where you get the input, you get all the information like search queries, keyword stuffing, then images, videos, linking your merchant center account. Then Google Perform PMax ads will run automatically. Google will uh, run these ads based on your search queries and how your headline, your ad campaigns, and also based on the search queries of the people. So it is very important to learn PMax ads because Google is more focusing on these campaign type because it wants to like automate the process instead of manually a ad expert is working on it and you are not getting proper results. So when your ad experts, his expertise is needed, but where the advertiser can get the ROIs should be more like Google wants to target the particular only the people who are looking for your services or your products, not to diversify to many people. But here we don't have much control in the API Max ad, but still we can what are the automated process are there? We need to try to get them manually or the targeted. Here we only have the broad match types. We try to control the broad match type, and we should take into like exact match and freeze match. I'll show how can we run max ads. Okay, let's get started. New campaign. You know this how to select your campaign type and everything. You can check in my previous videos as well. Or what we'll do, we'll select like create without the campaign's goal. Let's select the PMax. Okay, reach audience across all of Google with a single campaign. With a single campaign, this all the campaign types are included in this PMax campaign. If you have the merchant center is only for the e-commerce websites. Okay, for e-commerce, I'll also make a video how to get the merchant center and how can we optimize the merchant center shopping products. Okay, and how can we integrate our reviews with the merchant center. How can we get more uh, sales uh, through the proper setup of the marketing center? I will make a video in future. So currently we don't have any e-commerce website, right? So we'll just put our portfolio website here. Okay. I don't have since I don't have the merchant center account right now. I'm going with this my website. That's it. Campaign name. I already told you campaign name is very important when you run multiple campaigns. So start with new conversions. Anyhow, conversions are more important for any company. If you run in Google Ads, it needs conversions, right? You can bid for new customers only, but you can bid for old customers as well. Because old customers are very potential. They already know about your service. If your service is good, if still your ad is showing, they can try to take your service if needed instead of going to the other person. Advanced search. So we'll take few cities in India. I'll take Hyderabad, include, and also for your comfort, I'm also selecting other countries. We'll select New Jersey. See, automatically create assets is for people who don't know the how to run a campaign, but don't select automatic assets, the automatic option, because in our landing, if your landing page is really good, exactly you're doing like what Google wants, it's fine to give the automatically create assets. But many times our landing page have the different images based on like the contact us will give some images, some random images will be there which are like if Google takes those images that would affect for landing page it is perfect, but Google take the image from your landing page that affects. Okay, don't give this automatically created asset. It is automatically taking this is recently launched after ChatGPT, after Google Gemini. Google launched its AI, so no, you don't need to write many things. It will take your website and based on website, it will take the services from its website only, and the content, the basic content on the website, and selected pages, what are the pages you have. Okay, if you want to give that, you can generate assets, but I don't prefer to take all the information from my landing page and generating automatically with the use of AI. I'll use AI my own. I'll do my proper research. I'll use ChatGPT for ChatGPT or Gemini. And we also have some many AIs for writing the ad copies. Copy.ai is a very great tool for writing the Google ad copies. See, here we need to give the final URL, the landing page, which we already discussed, and the 59 lines, which we need to give. This is I'm automatically selecting, but do a proper research. If you have the specific service, specific digital marketing service, or any kind of service, do a proper research and give the prompt to the GPT. It will give fewer lines, but try to optimize it more because it should not look like an AI generated content. Okay, try to include the keywords. I'm generating with this because I don't want to do a long, lengthy video. It affects the like you don't need to watch the complete video, right? So I'm just generating from here. I'm, that's good. When I'm generating, I just write a few lines. So this should be use 90 characters. If you're writing a head copy, try to use all characters because if if you can use all the characters, you can include some keywords. It helps you. Okay. This is a short description, which is in 60 characters. Okay. Then it is already selecting few images from my website, my portfolio website. But I already told you this kind of see why I won't suggest you to take the automatic one because, for example, This logo is there. That logo, that is my skill, but I don't want to publish it. I'm a web developer, but if that logo, HTML logo is coming and in the bottom it is showing as a digital marketing uh, person or a web developer. So for HTML, it is showing web developer, and people are not going to give me the leads, right? That is the reason why I don't want to like use a automatic one. Let's select all. This is how your ad will show. The display ads and videos. We'll select this video. So in my first in the search ads, I explained about the how site links works. So add those four site links and call to action button. How you want to use the call to action button. If you want to give some brochure to the customers, you can use the download option or subscribe, contact us, sign up, apply, quote, learn more, where you can direct them to landing page. So this you can do, and you can also have the more. Like, you can add the promotions, price, the call, the phone number, call out user information, the structured snippets also is like add more text and lead forms you can add. And signals are just like you the interest of the audience, because in the search as we have the keywords here. This is not the keywords, but the how your audience is going to search. Okay, this is the interest of the audience. We can give the keywords only, but these are our keywords. We are not bidding for them. This is the interest of your ad audience. Yeah. And if you have the previous data, it will ask you to include the previous data. We can add the new segment because we can create the data. Like we can create, select our audience types here. So from where you want to get your customers, people who are interested to your YouTube videos, or we can integrate the Google Analytics where from there Google Ads will take all of your data, because how Google Ads works, when you search something, when you watch a video, when you watch a Google ad, it will recommend, right? So because people, the ad experts will retarget you, they'll try to connect with the same audience to make them purchase. Yeah, or else you can create the risk, because since we don't have any data in this account, so let's have the YouTube users, because we have the YouTube channel, we have the audience. You can give the YouTube audience word text. It is taking this channel account. Ask them to link. I don't want link and all. So you can select your audience and you can give the audience. Here you can select the demographics. And then the final thing is to give the budget. See here the weekly estimation, weekly conversion 8.4, and cost per conversion 1200, and weekly cost 10,000 it is showing. For that, it is suggesting 1500 budget. In the first campaign also we have discussed regarding how can we select the budgets. So I think we don't want to take the suggested budgets, but as per the client requirement, as per your budget, your target audience. Select the proper budget. If you're targeting a metropolitan city uh, where your audience are more, yeah, the huge population, then you anyhow you need to come up with a good budgets. Okay, but you're targeting only specific age type because you're targeting the whole city, but your target audience is only 24, 25 to 36. Only that age group you want to select. Then you can go with the minimal budgets. Budgets is completely based on how you are going to target, how many people you are going to target. So Google don't have anything, any complaints about our ads right now. We don't have any errors. We are ready to publish. After publishing, Google will take a campaign to review. Then after reviewing, it will go into publish. Okay. If we have the Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping Ads, and Google Merchant Center, then the process will be quite different because we need to add the products, we need to set up the products and all. The I'll also going to like in the next class or in the future videos, we are going to discuss about the Google Merchant Center, how we can run the Google app shopping ads with the Merchant Center. Okay, so that helps the e-commerce businesses. If you have a e-commerce business, please comment below so that I know that all the audience are watching my videos and I can make more videos based on your interest. Yeah, that's about today's video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please do like, share, and subscribe to channel so that it motivates me to make more videos, more content. After Google Ads series, we can have the meta. I'm planning for the meta ads, so we can do it, and also the WordPress, e-commerce websites. I'm coming with the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React, front-end, back-end technologies. So I want to bring all the videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and let me know what are the videos you want. If you want any podcast videos, so that if you want those kind of videos, let me know in the comments so that